Hi folks, St. Paul Steam here with my Will It Run Redux number 2. This is the same engine that I filmed that looked pretty crappy a while back, and I went through it and did a St. Paul Steam thing to it. It's got a little short cord on it. It's only about 32 inches long. It's the original one, but I've managed somebody's cut it down. We reshot, bead blasted the firebox and chimney stand, reshot them. They're slick. You can see it's still the same 4-hole board. Somebody's drilled some holes in. Took everything off and we cleaned that up. Dawn soap and hot water took care of that. And a little, furniture polish on it. Rebuilt sight glass. We bead blasted the cast iron base because it was just too cruddy for me. Redid the flywheel, resurfaced it. This is just a fine runner. I fixed all the cracks. I had one big crack in the cylinder assembly. That doesn't leak now. It leaks where they all do at the end of the snout. But everything else has been taken care of. I did replace the boiler bands and the little bands that hold the heater in place. Those are just too far gone. But everything else cleaned up really, really well. Boiler's probably an 8 out of a 10. It's not dinged or dented, but I could stand the re-chroming, or re-nickel plating, that is. But it's a powerhouse. It's a powerful little guy. It's powerful than any of them that I've had of this era. But I just wanted to show her all cleaned up and giving the St. Paul Steam treatment as best I know how to do. The heater is about a 510 watt, so it's plenty powerful. I've only got it running on about 160 watts right now. Open her up. Runs equally well in both directions. So there we have it. As always, folks, I appreciate it. And I hope you have a great day. Bye now.